Hi there, it's Wordy Wednesday, and this week, because it's Martin Luther King Day, on January 18, we're talking about bias. Have you heard of this word? Well, let's have a look. Bias is the action of supporting or opposing a particular person or thing in an unfair way, allowing personal opinions to influence your judgment. Let's look at some examples. First, journalists must be impartial and not show political bias. The company has announced it is implementing changes to address racial bias. And another example is the adjective biased, to show a preference for something or someone based on personal opinions. And on a lighter point, I've got an example. I think my son is the best football player on the team, but hey, I'm biased. So let's practice. Google bias or biased in the news and see how it's being used in an article. It's very common to see it. See what you can find, and then leave me an audio message to tell me what you've learned. I'd love to hear from you.